Hi everyone, I'm Riza Viñas and I recently watched a YouTube video about smart home security systems that utilize IoT technology. The video showcased various systems focusing on how interconnected devices enhance home security and convenience. The video primarily demonstrated how IoT enables a comprehensive smart home security system. It explained that numerous devices like smart locks, security cameras, and motion sensors are connected to a central hub or app. This allows for remote monitoring, automated responses to threats, and convenient control over the entire system. For instance, the video showed how a user could remotely lock their doors, receive alerts about motion detected outside their home, and even view live footage from their security cameras on their smartphone. This technology offers several advantages. The convenience factor is huge. You can manage your home security from anywhere with an internet connection. The increased security is another plus. The interconnected system provides multiple layers of protection, potentially deterring intruders and providing faster response times in case of a break-in. The video also highlighted the potential for integrating other smart home devices, creating a more holistic and automated home environment. However, the video also acknowledged significant drawbacks. A primary concern is the potential for hacking. If the central system or individual devices are compromised, the entire security system could be rendered useless or worse, manipulated by malicious actors. The video also discussed the potential for data breaches, where sensitive information about the homeowner's activities and routines could be accessed. Finally, the reliance on a stable internet connection was highlighted as a point of vulnerability. Personally, I am quite interested in the convenience and enhanced security offered by smart home security systems. However, the security risks a major concern. I would likely consider using such a system, but only after truly researching the security protocols of different providers and ensuring the systems offer robust encryption and multi-factor authentication. I would also prioritize systems with local storage options to minimize reliance on cloud services. In conclusion, the video presented a compelling case for smart home security systems, showcasing their potential to improve safety and convenience. However, it also effectively highlighted the critical need for strong security measures to mitigate the risks associated with IoT technology. While I believe IoT-based security systems can be beneficial for society, their widespread adoption requires addressing the security and privacy challenges proactively. Ultimately, the responsible and development and use of these systems will determine whether they are a net positive or negative for society.